Friends, this is revision module as we have already discussed about this topic, that is uniformitarianism, that was first presented in the book Principles of Geology, that was written by Charles Yale. And we already discussed the father of modern geology is James Hutton. And here are some books and author. Theory of the Earth is written by James Hutton. Geomorphology from the Earth by Carl W. Bucher. Unstable Earth, J. A. Steers. Principles of Geology, Charles Yale. And these are the images of books. And this was a question about processes which is related to glacial erosion, that is called plucking. Plucking is nothing but it happens on uneven surface, that is as ice move and will break the bedrock. We understand plucking from this diagram as the movement of the ice in this direction. As the ice or water move in this direction, once it was melting, the water moves in this crack, and when it comes winter time or autumn, it will become freeze. It freezes. So the crack filled by water becomes ice and it expand because it is a nature of water. When it convert from water state, that is liquid state, to solid, its volume increases. So this leads to the plucking of this part, that is fragments plucked from the surface. So, okay, now here are some terms that are associated with, as plucking is associated with glacial process, deflation, desert by the wind action, corrosion, chemical process, hydraulic action is related to moving water and river. So and here we discuss about the terminal moraine. Whatever plugged due to the action of the movement of ice, the fragment parts deposited in the terminal point, at the terminal point, that is called terminal moraine. So we have to remember moraine is associated with glacial process, that is a depositional feature. And 23rd was in question form. Now flat top sand ridges with long dimension extending parallel to the prevailing winds but locking the collapsing front are known as whale backs. Whale backs, this image shows the whale backs, and this diagrams is about different types of sand dunes. This the first is about Barkans. Barkan is nothing but it is a sand dunes in which the wings, both the wings of the sand dunes in the direction of the wind, that is downwind, in a crescent shape, that is Barkan. And shape is similar to Barkan, but only difference is here only one wing elongated in the direction of wind, and parabolic is just opposite of Barkan. Here the wings are in the opposite direction of wind, and transverse are perpendicular to the direction of the wind, and longitudinal are parallel to the wind, that is longitudinal. And here was their crisp and clear definition, you can read. Okay, and the one topic, that is sand drift. Sand drift is a mosaic of barren shifting sand, moss, lichen, grey hair grass with a pioneering character and pioneering grassland. This image indicates the sand drift, as the sand is moving in this direction. That is a sand drift. And here features are moss, lichens and grass hair grass with a pioneer characters. And the 24th topic was about, in a question form, hydration belongs to both process, physical as well as chemical process. And the last topic was about, we have to arrange from top to bottom of a slope in a correct sequence, and the terminology given in this way. So we understand from this diagram, the upper part is known as, that is in convex shape, is known as waxing, and this part is known as free fall, and this is debris slope, and the last part is known as pediment, that is waning. So we can arrange in this way as given by A. Wood in 1943, that is 4 model unit. First part is waxing slope, then free phase, then debris, and then waning slope. That's all. Thank you.